हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज मैं आप लोगों को लेकर चलूँगा मेरे शुक्र फार्म में। और मेरे पास अभी कितना शुक्र है वो सबको पूरा दिखाऊंगा। चलो आप लोगों को दिखाता हूँ आज। सो गाइस, मैं अभी फटाफट दाना को इसमें निकाल लिया हूँ। अब इसको मैं थोड़ा सा मिला लेता हूँ, हल्का पानी मिला के मैं इसको मिला देता हूँ।
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
देख सकते हैं कैसे गंदा किया है। इधर इधर जो बंडा है वो और 4 ठो है इधर। अलग कर दिया है इसको।
Spending the night in Dixon, 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Carried it all, cuddling miles as we go. A line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple clothes. And I'd find you if I could, invite you to the final act. But I think it's understood nothing good can come of that.